Setting out on the wondrous journey of setting and achieving realistic goals is akin to opening the doors to a world of endless possibilities. This transformative skill, cherished by those who dare to dream, becomes the unwavering compass that deftly navigates the vast sea of aspirations. With each milestone reached, it paints a vibrant picture of personal growth. Unlocking the power of setting realistic goals lies in their harmonious alignment with our deepest values, seizing the essence of our unique journey. By honoring our authentic selves, we unlock a profound sense of purpose and ignite a transformative path toward meaningful fulfillment. Setting realistic goals is the key to opening up our untapped potential and embarking on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery. It's like stepping onto a thrilling roller coaster, where each goal becomes a thrilling twist and turn that propels us closer to our dreams. By anchoring our aspirations, we lay a solid foundation for success, ensuring that our goals are within reach while still challenging us to grow. It's like finding the perfect balance between adventure and stability, propelling us forward with excitement and purpose. So, let's capture the thrill of setting realistic goals. And when we reach those goals, we not only celebrate our own victories but also inspire others through the power of our stories. Just as a skilled captain navigates a ship through uncharted waters, we too can chart a course towards our goals using effective strategies. One powerful strategy is breaking our goals into smaller, actionable steps, like assembling a puzzle piece by piece. This approach not only keeps us focused and motivated but also allows us to celebrate milestones along the way, fueling our determination. Additionally, surrounding ourselves with a supportive network of mentors, friends, and like-minded individuals provides invaluable guidance and encouragement. Together, we can share insights, learn from each other's experiences, and cultivate an environment of growth. By combining these strategies with unwavering commitment, we transform our dreams into reality, leaving a lasting impact on ourselves and those we touch. Achieving goals is like setting off a brilliant fireworks display that lights up the night sky of our lives. The impact is truly awe-inspiring, as it creates a ripple effect of positivity and transformation. When we achieve our goals, we experience a profound sense of accomplishment, self-belief, and fulfillment. It's like unlocking a treasure chest full of untapped potential and witnessing the limitless power within us. This newfound confidence radiates outward, inspiring those around us to dream bigger, set higher aspirations, and take courageous steps toward their own goals. The impact goes far beyond us, as our achievements become a guiding light of inspiration and possibility for others, igniting a chain reaction of greatness. Sharing our achievements creates a ripple effect of inspiration and motivation. Our journey becomes a beacon of hope, guiding others toward their own dreams. By showcasing our success, we not only celebrate our accomplishments but also empower those around us to believe in their own potential. So, let our achievements be a catalyst for change, igniting a fire within others to pursue greatness and make their mark on the world. In the realm of possibilities, setting and achieving goals holds the key to opening up to our true potential. It's an empowering journey that invites us to embrace our inner strength, resilience, and determination. With anticipation, we await the day we meet soon.